Hello everyone. I thought I'd just very quickly go through a new section on Dr. Frost, which I thought would help you help you moving forward and really focus your revision when you're looking at doing any kind of maths revision or you're not sure on a particular question. So it's called the courses section. Now, we here at St. Aquinas have actually made a course for you, which is broken down by grade. Now, there's two ways you can get to it. You can see in the center here, it says revision by grade. Now, this is the course that we've created. It's in black. So you can click on this one here and go straight through to that course there. And here it is. This is our course. Or you can go to the top and then go to St. Thomas Aquinas up here. And you'll find the course here, which is this one here, revision by grade. And you click on go, and there it is. So this is the course that's been created for you. And the idea is that you would work through this, starting kind of at the bottom end and making sure you're focusing and moving up to hit some of those key questions. So you'll notice here it's broken up into grades 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, grade 5, which is kind of your top of foundation, but also kind of your start of the beginning of higher. So grade 4 to 5 is probably the very start of higher. And then, so these kind of the grade 4 to 5 and grade 5 are the crossover section for higher and foundation. Then it moves to grade 6. This is only higher, and grade 7 and 8 and 9 are only higher as well. Okay, so you'll notice it's broken down into each section. Now, I know that there are grades attached to these, but they don't necessarily mean that if you do everything on the grade 3 to 4, you're going to get a 3 or a 4. And the reason for that is obviously you need to know everything before that, before you get to that stage. You need to make sure you're focusing on all of your maths and not just doing that 3 to 4 topic. Okay, so looking at these now, if I go into one of these, if I show you, you'll see here, if I pick on here, let's say averages here. So here we've got our courses page on averages. Now here are the list of all the key skills for grades 2 to 3 averages. Now, as you practice these, if I practice one of these now, so if I find out the mean of this one very quickly, so we hated a little, the median's in the middle, you add and divide for the mean, so I add all these up, so 7 plus 4 plus 4 plus 8 plus 7 plus 7 plus 1 plus 9 is equal to 47 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by 8. Hope I haven't made a mistake. So that is 5.875. Put that in there. Brilliant. So what you'll notice is as you complete these questions, you get further and further towards your star. Once you've completed 6, then we say that the key skill is complete. You understand it. You're really good at this, and then when you've done 10, you reach a master's level. Okay, if I just go back now to that, you'll notice here on the side, this part here on the right, now I've completed one of those questions, it goes green, and the more you do, the more the further this will go across. So if I just complete very quickly another one of these, I'll just do it very, very quickly. So 3 plus 8 plus 2 plus 7 plus 10 plus 6 plus 7 plus 3 and divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by 8 is equal to 5.75. Hope that's right again. Brilliant. So you'll notice that the more you do, the further this will go over and it'll move green, okay? And the idea is you want each of those key skills in this courses section to be fully green, and that means you understand that topic. Now, if there's a topic in here that you don't understand, there's 2 ways you can deal with this. So you can either watch on the video on the left-hand side. Now, these aren't the same as the exam questions videos, which are these down here. The key skills videos tell you specifically how to do that key skill question. It's not broad. It's not all of the different topics. It's exactly the same type of question which is in that one there. Okay, so you can either click on this here by clicking play on the left-hand side, or when you're in this, if you wanted to have a go at one first, so click on practice, then you can click at the top here, watch the work example, and this worked example is that exact question. Okay, so the idea is you'd probably watch the video, copy down an example of that video by either clicking at the top or clicking on the left of it where the play button is there. So watch the video, copy it down, and then once you've done that, click on practice, and then the more you practice, the more green it will get, and then you'll have completed that key skill. And the idea is, if you systematically go through and do all of these, then you can make your way throughout the whole course. So if I go back here, you can make your way through grades 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. If you're on higher, you might start on 4 to 5 and making your way through grade 5. So you've got everything there that you need to work your way through this and do good, solid revision. You're not just making up questions. These are questions where you have a video that you can watch, then you have a go at specific questions. Once you've done the questions, if I go back to averages, you can also have an opportunity to have a go at some exam questions, which are at the bottom down here. So if you look at this one down here, this is exam questions on mean, median, mode, and range, and you can click on practice here. I'll just skip that. I want to go exam board, OCR, difficulty range, well, I'm doing foundation, so that'll be 1 to 2. And these are exam questions on that particular topic. So OCR, exam questions on the key skills that you've just done. The idea is you go away, you use this as revision. This will be a massive help, a massive support, okay? You can systematically go through all of these key skills and they will turn green the more that you do. So if you've got any questions, you can email me or let me know. So have a lovely day, everyone. I hope you find that really useful. It's definitely going to help you with your revision over as you're coming up towards the end of year 11s. So make sure you make the most of it and have a lovely day. Remember, the only way to learn maths